The adults only news item for this week is Social Security, where's the money? For the 40th year in a row, our officials who are in charge of the Social Security Trust Fund are telling us that the money's going to run out. That's because we no longer have an adults-only society. They think we're children. If we were adults, what they would say is, the money ran out 40 years ago when they took it all to fund the federal budget. Everything from the war in Iraq to midnight basketball. Now, here we are, and they're saying the money's going to run out, when in fact it has for 40 years, and all that's in that Social Security box, when you open it up, are a bunch of IOUs called Treasury bills and T-bills or T-notes or whatever you want to call them. But what's not in there is anything resembling something we call cash. In other words, the money's been gone for 40 years. It's never coming back. And the result is that our children and grandchildren have no possibility of enjoying the same standard of living that we are enjoying because we have already spent all of their money. That's the adult-only news item for this week.